Hey guys, Jay here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to read and write to file in Python. First, open the file by calling the open function. Pass in a file name and a mode. You can use R to read, W to write, A to append, which means add to the end of a file, and R+ to read and write. This will return a file object which we will store inside a variable. I'll call my variable file for simplicity's sake, but you could name it something else. Now that we have this file object stored in the file variable, we can call methods on this object to read from or write to the file. There are a few ways to read lines from the file object. To read all the text from the file, type file.read. You can include an optional integer parameter if you would like to get a specific number of characters from the beginning of the file. The file.readLine function gets the next line in a file. If we call it once, it will get the first line. If we call it again, it'll get the second line, and so on. To get all the lines from the file as an array, use the file.readLines method. If you want to get a specific line from the file, you can use square brackets and pass in an index to get that specific item from the array. To iterate over all the lines in the file, we can use a for loop. For line in file, print line. To write to a file, make sure you're using the W mode. This will erase everything in the file and replace it with the text you write. If you just want to add text at the end of the file, then you will need to use the append mode. To write to the file, type file.write and pass in the text that you want to write to the file. You can write to the file multiple times in a script, but keep in mind that this does not create a new line each time you write to it. You have to use /n to create a new line in the file. Make sure to close the file by using file.close, and this will save it. Otherwise, the file will never get saved, and your writes will never actually get written. To append text to the end of the file, use the A mode. Call file.write and pass in the text you want added at the end, and there you go. Pretty simple. That's all there is to reading and writing to files in Python. In a future video, I'll show you how to read and write to JSON files, which allows you to store and retrieve more complicated objects. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up so that more people will see it. If you'd like to see more videos like it in the future, make sure you subscribe so you'll be notified when I upload. Have a great day. I'm out.